In today's video, we're going to talk about templates. Using templates can be a great way to create documents quickly because things like graphics, formatting, formulas can already be included in a template. Now we're going to use the built-in interface on the New tab to look at some templates. So I'm going to click on New. Now, if you know exactly what you're searching for, you can just type it in this box right here, search for online templates. Or if you want to browse around, you can click one of these suggested searches. So I'm going to click on budgets. And I can look through the templates they have. And if there's something I want to take a closer look at, I can click on it. Now, if you wanted to jump in and just double click and open it, that would immediately download it and you'd have a document based off these templates. Now, if I'm not sure, I can close it and find another one, or I can use these arrows to browse even more of these different templates. Now, I'm going to close this and do a search. Now, in the search box, I'm going to type in vacation, and I'm going to look up a vacation checklist. Now, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm just going to double click it. Excel downloads it, and now I can use this nice sheet to do my vacation planning. Now, you may also want to create your own template. When you save your own template, it places a special category on your New tab. Now, if I go to File and then New, you don't see anything below here. But once you see that I've saved the template, you'll see that there's a special Personal category. Now I'm going to open up a document that I'm going to use as a template. Now, this is something I formatted. I have formulas in here, and it's ready to go as my template in case I need to make another document like this. So to do that template, I am going to go to Save As. Now, a quick way to do that, I can press F12 on my keyboard, or you might have to press Function key in F12. And the second drop down over here, I'm going to click on it and choose Excel template. Now I'm going to rename this to quarter sales. Now by default, it saves it to the documents folder. So I'm just going to leave it at the default and click Save. Now I'm back on the File menu and I'm going to click on New. And you can see right here, I now have a category Personal, and there is my customized template. And I can just double click it and it's taken on the formatting of my template. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.